Today we learn to make microwave Kanda Poha. For this you need 2 cups of poha or rice flakes, 1 cup diced potato, coriander and coconut powder to garnish, salt and red chili powder to taste, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon rye or mustard seeds, a few red or green chilies according to taste, optional, 1 cup diced onions, 3 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon lime juice. In a microwave safe bowl, add mustard, cumin, curry leaves and chilies to the oil and microwave covered 1 minute on high. After 1 minute, add the diced potatoes to this mixture. Mix and again microwave on high covered for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, check if the potatoes are done. If they are still not done, you can microwave on high covered for another half minute. Now add the diced onions, microwave high for 2 minutes. The most important part of making poha is to choose the rice flakes. The rice flakes are usually of 3 varieties: hard, medium or soft. So usually you try to find the medium rice flakes which are best for making poha. If they are too soft, they will become soggy and will not turn out to be good. Add the water. Wash the rice flakes. If they are turning too soft, then immediately take out the water. And if they are too hard, let it soak for a few more minutes. And after that, remove the water through a sieve. Let the poha rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add turmeric powder, washed poha, salt and red chili powder. Mix the stuff and cover the lid and microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add lime juice and garnish with coconut, coriander powder and a little bhujia, and this is ready to be served to your loved ones. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching.